Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, we will install the free WooCommerce dynamic pricing plugin. Using this plugin, you will be able to create different types of pricing rules on your WooCommerce shop. For example, bulk product discount. If someone buys more than 10 products or 20 products, then they will get 10% discount. If the number of products in the cart are more than 10 or 20, then they will get extra discount. You can also exclude the products from the bulk product discount. You can create bulk product discount only for a specific product. You can also create buy one and get one free pricing rule using this plugin. Now let's say this product has buy one and get one free pricing rule. If someone buys this one product, then they will get this product free. You can see the pricing is 0. And if I change the number of this product to number 2 and update the cart, then you will see that the free products are number 2. You can also add pricing rule for the cart discount. Let's consider that the total amount of this cart is more than 5,000, then they will get extra discount of 100 rupees. Example is in rupees. You may have different currency and you can use the discount according to your currency. So there are many pricing rules that you can define using this free WooCommerce dynamic pricing plugin. So let's start with the video.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. Now we are going to install the free plugin. So let's go to plugins and then go to add new. Now search for the plugin called as advanced dynamic pricing. So this is the plugin that we are going to install. So click on install now. Click on activate. Alright, so the plugin has been activated. Now let's open another window, products. You will see all the products. Okay, now here you will see the plugin listed. So this is the plugin. So click on settings. Now we are going to create different types of pricing rules so that you can offer bulk discount, buy one get one offer. Now first let me delete these pricing rules and we are going to create from the scratch. I tried these pricing rules before, so that's why they are showing here. Now here are the products. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a bulk discount for this product, mascara. You see this product. So let me open this product. Now this is a simple product and you will see the regular price is 300 rupees. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a pricing rule so that if someone buys 5 of these products, 5 mascara products, then they will get 10% discount. Okay, so let's go to pricing rules, or you can also create the rule from here. So click on add rule for the product. Alright, so you will see that the rule has been created automatically. Now this is the title and this can be applied unlimited, expensive product, and you will see the product is listed here automatically. So let's see if we have 5 of these products. Now this product and the same product only, so only the 5 mascara products will get an offer. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to assign a discount. So select product discount, and this is fixed amount or percentage amount. So we are going to assign percentage amount of 10%. Okay, so 5 mascara, then you will get 10% discount. So let's save the changes. Okay, now let's go back to this product, open it. And now let me first delete the cart. Okay, now I'm going to add 5 products. Now let's go to view cart, and here you will see there is a 10% discount. So the original price is 300, and when I apply 10% discount, the price will become 270. So we have already given the 10% discount on a purchase of 5 products. Now let me change it to 10 products. I'm going to add the quantity and let's update. Right, so you will see that it is still giving the discount of 10% for the 10 quantities. So whenever someone buys more than 5 products, then they will get 10% discount. Okay, now let me delete this from the cart. Now this is for the single product. Okay, now we are going to apply it for the number of products. So if someone buys any product, any 10 products, then they will get 10% discount. So it's not only the same product, they can buy any 10 products and they will get discount of 10%. So let me create a new rule. So this was the first rule. You can minimize it from here. Let's add new rule. The name of the discount will be any product bulk purchase. Okay, unlimited expensive product, and select discount type bulk. So we are going to change the rule to bulk and at least one product. So this is the rule: bulk, quantity based on all matched products or on all items in the cart. So any product can be purchased, can be added to the cart. So it's not like same kind of products. Customer can purchase any 10 products and they will get discount. So select this option. So you will see different options here: quantity based on all matched products, quantity based on project categories. So these are the products that you can choose. So I'm going to choose this one, fixed discount or percentage discount. So I'm going to select percentage discount. Now here I'm going to add a range of products. So click on add range. Now if I want them from 10 quantity to, let's say, 15 quantity, then they will get a discount of 10%. Now from 16 to 20 quantities, they will get discount of 15%. So similarly you can add different ranges. So let me save the changes. Now let's refresh it and let's see how many are activated. Okay, you can see that 2 rules are active. Now let's go back to the products and let's add this one. Let's open this one and the other one. Okay, now here you will see the rule, bulk deal rule: 10 to 15 quantity, 10% discount, and 16 to 20 quantities, 15% discount will be there. So let me add 10 quantities to the cart. And let's go to this product and let me add 8 quantities of this product. Okay, so total we have 18 products in the cart. So let's go to view cart. So it comes between 15 to 20 products, so it should give 15% discount. So let's see right now, and this one is 350 and the renewed price is 297. So it is 15% discount. So this is how it works. So it's not like only one product is added to the cart. We have added different products, and total quantity is 18, and the customer has got discount of 15%. Does it work with variable products? So let's see. We have this one is a variable product. So let me open this product. Okay, now let me remove this from the cart. And let me update it to 10. So currently we have 10 products in the cart. Now we are going to add this a variable product into the cart. So let's choose an option for the variation. And you can see that the bulk deal information is added here. So you can see that we are going to add, let's say we are going to add 10 products. So let's add 10 quantities here and go to view cart. So you can see that we have 10 of these products and 10 variable products. So this is a simple product and this is a variable product, and you can see that the discount is applied to the variable products also. So this is how it works. It works with the variable product also. Now what if I do not want to add this product for the discount. So we can exclude that product from the discount. So this is the second rule, and we want to exclude the product from this rule. So let me exclude one of the products. So let's say we are going to exclude this product. So here I can go to this. Here you will see the option searching for this product, and this is the variable product. So I'm going to select this one. So this product will be excluded from this rule. So let's save the changes. Okay, now let's go back to the cart and refresh the cart. And now you will see that the discounted price is not applied to this product. So this product is excluded from the pricing rule, and there will not be any discount for this product. So this is how you can exclude products from the pricing rule. Let's add another rule. Now we will create buy one get one rule. So click on add rule, and let's say BOGO, buy one get one. And from here select the type of the rule. Here you will see the option buy one get one free, and here you can see that filter any product, one product. Let's add the buy one get one for, let's say, mascara 2. We have a product called as mascara 2. So this is the product on which I'm going to apply buy one get one. Okay, now here it says can be applied unlimited times, and select product. So this will be 1, and from here we can enter the same product again. Okay, so if someone buys this mascara 2 product, then they will get one free mascara 2 products. Okay, if you want to add more products, you can add more products. If you want to apply 2 products, then you can change the number here. So someone buy one mascara 2, then they will get 2 mascara 2 products free. So let me change it back to 1 and click on save changes. Right now let's go back to the products. So this is the product on which we have the new rule applied. So now it shows the discount table here. So let it be as it is. Now we are going to add this one to cart. Okay, now let me refresh the cart. You can see the cart here. Okay, now here you will see the products in the cart. Now here you will see that we have added one mascara 2 product, and the other free mascara 2 product is added automatically into the cart, and you will see the price is 0 because this is buy one get one product. So if someone buys this one, it will get added automatically. So this is how the buy one get one works. So right now it shows the quantity table, the bulk deal rule on this product page. So I do not want this product to be added to the bulk deal rule. So I'm going to add this product in the exclude list. So okay, so this product is not a part of bulk deal pricing rule. Let me save the changes. Now you will not say that bulk deal rule here. Okay, now let me see the cart again. If I delete this one, let's see, if I delete this one, the free product will also get deleted. Alright, so here we have seen 3 different types of pricing rule, and if you want you can create different types of pricing rule. Here you will see the different types: product discount, gift, buy one get one, bulk, a roll discount, and cart discount. Let's try this one, cart discount. So let's select cart discount and name it as cart discount, and let's see, let's go to the cart. I'm going to add new rule. So right now the total price of the cart is 5,475. So let's say if someone purchases more than 5,000 rupees product, then they will get extra discount of 100 rupees. So here you will see different options: fixed discount once and discount name. So let's say I'm going to add 100 rupees discount, and the name of this discount will be, let's say, extra 100. Okay, so this is fixed discount and once. Here different options are added, so you can also give them percentage discount or other types of discount. This is the condition. So total should be, let's say, more than 5,000. Total cart price should be more than 5,000, then they will get this 100 rupee discount. So let's save the changes. Okay, now let's go back to the cart and refresh the cart. Now here you will see that the total cart price is 5,475, and this is the extra 100 that we created, and you will see that the 100 rupees is deducted from the total cart price, and the new cart price is 5,375. So this is how you can create different types of pricing rule, bulk pricing rule and cart discount using this free plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.